Remember this, when having a BlackBerry wasn't just about having a phone, it was a vibe. That iconic click-clack of the keys, that blinking red light letting you know your people were reaching out. Even now, with all these glass slabs we carry, nothing has ever matched that feeling. Well, strap in America, because that legend is back, and it's coming for the future. The BlackBerry is returning, but this isn't just a throwback. This is the classic, re-engineered for the 5G era. This is the BlackBerry Titan 2 5G. It's not just a smartphone. It's a statement, but the real question is, can it actually hang in today's world? We're breaking down every feature, the price, and exactly when you can get it. Let's go. Features of the BlackBerry Titan 2 5G. Design and display. The display and that iconic feel. Right up front, the soul of this thing. It's built around a sharp, compact 4.75-inch LCD, but let's be real, you're here for what's underneath, the return of the legendary physical QWERTY keyboard. That honest-to-goodness tactile feedback is back, but they've modernized the experience. This screen pumps at a 120 Hz refresh rate, so every swipe and scroll is impossibly smooth. And yes, that signature notification LED. It's back and blinking. It's the past and present, firing on all cylinders. The camera setup. This is where it gets wild. The Titan 2 5G is packing a 105-megapixel dual rear camera system. Let that sink in. BlackBerry is coming in with flagship-level camera hardware. This sensor is built to pull insane detail and handle low light like a champ, plus it's stabilized with OIS for buttery smooth video. Around front, a sharp 12-megapixel shooter handles your selfies and video calls. Performance. Don't let the retro look fool you. Under the hood, this thing is a monster. It's powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. That's top tier, game on anything, multitask like crazy power. And in the biggest win for usability, it runs pure Android. No app gaps, no compromises. Everything in the Google Play Store is ready to roll. Battery life. They've stuffed a massive 5500 mAh battery in here, the claim. Up to 2 full days on a single charge. And of course, it's got modern USB-C charging to top it all off. Price and launch date. Alright, so what's the damage? Analysts are projecting a USA price tag around $400. For a phone with these specs, that's a seriously aggressive move. But you'll need a little patience. The word is, we're looking at an early 2026 launch window to get this thing in your hands. So what do you think, America? Is the BlackBerry Titan 2 5G the perfect fusion of that classic cool and the power we need today?